In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track email opens in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. In the upper right-hand corner, click the Google Apps icon. Then locate and select the Chrome Web Store. Inside the Chrome Web Store, click into the search bar and type MailTrack or MailSuite. Then press Enter. From the search results, click on the extension you prefer. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension in the pop-up confirmation window to install it. After installation, a setup page will automatically open. Click Connect with Google or Continue to Google. Select the Gmail account you want to use for tracking, then click Allow to grant the extension permission to access your account. On the pricing page, click Sign Up Free under the free plan column to continue with the basic tracking features. Then click the Go to Gmail button to return to your inbox. Now click the Compose button in the top left corner of your inbox to create a new email. At the bottom of the Compose window, make sure the double check marks icon is visible in green. This indicates the email tracking is active for that message. You can also click on the MailTrack extension icon in your browser toolbar to review your tracking preferences. If you want additional adjustments, click the settings option, which will redirect you to the MailTrack website where you can manage your tracking options. So once your email is ready, click Send. To monitor the status, open your Sent folder. You'll see check marks next to your sent email. One check mark means the email was sent successfully. Two green check marks mean the recipient has opened the email. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.